Hello, I'm going to show you how to add a custom font in your Squarespace website and so that you can play around with fonts and creativity. So you go into Pages. No, you don't. You go into Design and you go into Custom CSS. And you scroll right down and you go to Manage Custom Files. In that, you have Add Images or Fonts. So here you want to add your font. So you download your font from any site like Creative Market or Google Fonts or Apple Fonts, whether you paid for it or not. And I'll show you how it looks. So you press that and then you go into what you've got. So you need to use these TTF files. So I'm just going to upload this, but if you need this as well, you'd upload that as well. So say upload this for header 1, double click, and you have your first stage done. Then you need to add just some simple CSS code, and I'll put all the code underneath the video. So first we want to tell Squarespace what the name of the font is. So we're going to copy that. And then, first actually, I'm going to just create like a header in the code that if anything goes wrong, I'll know what this is because I can't read code like that. I would need to know what I did. So to do that and for it not to be coded, you do // star, and then within the 2 stars you write. So uploading reboto for header 1. And then you put another star and // Okay. Then I go to the next line and I paste my code. And then in this part, the name, I want to put reboto. So that is the name of my font. Make it super easy, make it one word, even if your font's longer, just so you remember it and it's easy. Now in the font URL, you have to give it a place. You are going to delete this and you're going to leave the cursor in between those two whatever they're called, and then go down to your manage custom files and press that, and the URL will go in there. So that's done. Go to the next line, and the next piece of code is assigning it. So we're going to assign header 1 to reboto. So copy that, paste it in, and we're going to put reboto in there. Make sure you're writing it all the same. So I just capitalize that and I knew I was doing that. So change that so that it's all the same. I'm going to change that as well, even though that doesn't make any difference, but just so that I'm consistent. And then that should be done. So you've assigned it and let's have a look. Let's save it. And then we're going to go into here. This is header 1, which is reboto. Let's just double check. So we've got header 1 there, header 2 there. So now you've changed your font. Hope that was helpful. I might do another video on changing the paragraph fonts so that you can play around with the body text and subheadings. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe it if you have liked it so I can keep doing them.